Yes, well, many services certainly have been affected by COVID-19, and that makes it a little bit harder sometimes to get things done.
Yeah, but that's not the case for Nutmeg State Financial Credit Union. They're making it easier. Joining us now is President and CEO John Holt. John, nice to see you. How are you?
Hi, guys. How are you?
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. What are you dressed as, a president?
Yeah, just an ordinary CEO of a credit union.
Okay, good. Oh, I guessed that right away. So, it has been more difficult. Everything now is giving you, you get more time to turn this in, or if you can't get anyone. Has anything changed for your banking as far as you've actually kind of gone the other way, making it easier for people to get in touch and do things digitally?
Yeah, I mean, we really have done really well during this pandemic. All of our branches were opened by appointment. Now they're open normal hours, regular operations. Our contact center, everyone was working from home. And of course, we have all the digital online tools you need to do all of your banking. So we've fared pretty well during this, and we continue to, help people out in Connecticut as they need it.
All right, so John, I took my paper check, as you know I normally do, and I went to deposit it at the Glastonbury location.
No, you don't have to do that anymore.
I know, I still did it. And they, first of all, it looks like it's out of the future, the Glastonbury location. It is so mod and technologically advanced. And there was somebody there that helped me because I didn't know what I was doing.
Yeah, so we've had a branch there for quite a while at 81 House Street. But now there's the AAA and DMV services within the same building. And we've remodeled it, to your point, and made it look bright and new. And it's got a lot of technology that can help people. And there's also people there to help you with the technology and answer any questions you have about a mortgage or a home equity or anything. So we're really happy with the location. It's doing well. It's much busier, which is what we wanted.
And I got to tell you, it's right off of Hebron Avenue. It is so convenient. You just get off that exit and it's right there.
John, one of the things that came out, I was watching CBS News this morning, and they were trying to give people advice about how to make their finances be better after what we've learned in this pandemic. And of course, the basics of saving and that sort of thing. But they also encouraged everyone, you have to go digital, that people who had digital banking and knew how to do direct deposits and did all that, they got their stimulus checks faster. They were able to communicate with their banks. So this is really a good time. I know you guys make it really easy for people to kind of upgrade your digital knowledge. That way you can just handle things a lot faster. You'll have more control.
Yeah, it's also cleaner. Not for anything, you're not passing money, you're not passing a credit card back and forth. You're doing everything digitally. You're looking at your account, you're transferring money online. And we have really been promoting the contactless payment option for many of the businesses. We have the capability to offer businesses an app. We can build it for them. And then they can accept payments from their customers using our app without exchanging a piece of plastic or anything. So, and I think in this day and age, I think that's so important, using these digital tools. And that's one that we're really proud of. And so for any business out there, quite honestly, that needs help with this, or scheduling, putting together a scheduling app, or even for restaurants to offer menus online, we can actually help them with that.
What does the DMV Express do? What are the services that are being offered?
So we do the license renewal, the name change, and the address change. And the newest service that we have through DMV is the driver record. So you can come into our locations, and we have a location in Milford, North Haven, and in Glastonbury. And soon we're going to have a new location in Norwalk that's going to have a Nutmeg branch and a DMV. But this new driver record that will be available at any of those locations. So if you need a record of your driving history, from as the point in time that you got a license in Connecticut, you can get that at a Nutmeg location.
That makes everything so convenient and easy.
Oh, so much easier.
Yeah, and also it's just to get it in there, this is a good time to think about, maybe a little bit late for this year, but the holidays are coming up. Maybe you want to teach your kids about money. A lot of us are feeling, gosh, we want to instill good habits, especially after you have kids accounts, and you also have those Christmas Club savings accounts.
Yes, that's Scott's favorite.
My favorite.
We actually have a, as we call it, a holiday club account, and it's set up so that basically the money's locked down unless you tell us that we need to unlock it for you, and you can start saving for, the next holiday season, and you can put aside, a certain amount of money weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and it is earning some money, albeit the interest rates are high, but it is earning some money. And we do it for any type of, whether it's a vacation you want to save up for, it's the same premise. So really good time to save. And a lot of people are putting their money back in banks, interestingly enough, because the markets are so volatile.
Yeah.
And so there's the federal insurance that comes along with putting your money in bank accounts. And we've certainly seen the influx of deposits because of that.
All right. Well, John, thank you so much for your time. We so appreciate it.
You're welcome. Good to see you both. Have a good weekend.
And take that scary mask off. You're frightening everyone.
I'll go take it off now.
All right. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
You can always learn more by going to the website or follow Nutmeg State Financial Credit Union on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And you'll find them Nutmeg State FCU on Twitter and Instagram. Good little promise to yourself of I'm going to learn how to become more digital with my banking.
And put some money aside for the holidays.